Hello viewers, welcome to English grammar lessons. Types of tenses: present tense, past tense, future tense. Indefinite tense, continuous tense, perfect continuous tense. In this post we will discuss about present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used to show that a work is being done and it is still being done. For example, Sam is painting a picture. This sentence shows that the subject Sam is doing a work in the present time. This work is continuing now. Sam is continuing to paint a picture. In this tense, is, am, or along with first form of verb with ing is used. He is drinking water. I am writing a letter. You are taking your meals. Affirmative sentences with first person singular am along with first form of verb with ing is used. For example, I am writing a letter. With first person plural, second person singular and plural and third person plural, are is used with first form of verb and ing. We are playing a match. You are making a noise. They are singing a song. With third person singular, is used with first form of verb and ing. For example, he is drinking water. Negative sentences: is, am, or are, and not, and first form of verb and ing is used in these sentences. For example, boys are not playing a football match. I am not playing a football match. He is not playing a football match. You are not playing a football match. They are not playing a football match. Interrogative sentences: is, am, or are is used before subject. First form of verb plus ing is used. Sign of interrogation is used at the end of the sentence. For example, are the boys playing a football match? Sign of interrogation. Are the girls not singing a song? Sign of interrogation. Is he not singing a song? Sign of interrogation. In case of interrogative negative sentences, is, am, or are is used before subject. First form of verb and ing is used and the word not is used before verb. That is, he is not watering the plants. She is not plucking flowers. Boys are not making a noise. In its interrogative form, these will be: is he not watering the plants? Is she not plucking the flowers? Are boys not making a noise? Present perfect continuous tense. It is used to show that a work is being done for a time. It is still being done. It may be continuing for a particular duration or from a point of time. That is, for 2 hours, or since morning, or since July, etc. In these sentences, has or have with been and first form of verb and ing is used in. With time, words for or since are generally used. For example, he has been sleeping for 2 hours. You have been working since morning. With first and second person singular and plural and third person plural, have is used with been and first form of verb and ing is used. With third person singular, has is used with been and first form of verb and ing is used. To show time, since or for is used in these sentences. For example, I have been waiting for you for 1 hour. Boys have been playing since morning. You have been preparing for your examination for the last 2 months. She has been working in this office for 2 years. Negative sentences. In negative sentences, has, have, been and not is used with first form of verb and ing. For time, since or for are used. I have not been working since morning. She has not been dancing for 2 hours. You have not been watching TV for half an hour. Children have not been shouting for an hour. Interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences, has, have is used before subject. For example, has he been waiting for you for 2 hours? Have you been playing since morning? Have children been doing their work for 2 hours? Similarly, in interrogative negative sentences, has, have is used before subject and not is used before first form of verb with ing in the sentence. For example, has she not been singing for 2 hours? Have the boys not been playing a match since morning? Has she not been cooking food since 2 p.m.? Have you not been accompanying him for 2 days? Review of the tense. Present continuous tense. Affirmative sentences, first person singular, am plus first form of verb plus ing. Third person singular, is plus first form of verb plus ing. First person, third person singular and second person singular and plural are and first form of verb and ing is used. In negative sentences, is, am, are and not and ing are used. In interrogative sentences, is, am and are in the beginning of the sentence are. The rest of it is the same. Present perfect continuous tense. Affirmative sentences. First, second person singular and plural and third person plural have plus been plus first form of verb plus ing are used. Third person singular has and been and first form of verb and ing are used. Negative sentences has, have and not and been and first form of verb and ing are used. Interrogative sentence has or have in the beginning of sentence and been and first form of verb and ing and rest of the sentence is the same. Thank you, viewers.